Today we're going to make liver. So this is 1 pound of liver. So this is how you prepare liver. You find this little skin here and you just hold it like that and trying to peel it off the best way you can. This is very important. You clean it off like that and get into those here and clean it off. Just strip it as best you can. Okay, so once you clean off all the flame and all the white stuff, we're going to now slice it. So you just find a nice little golden spot and just slice it in nice little pieces like this. Today we are cooking liver. This is 1 pound of liver. Add the browning. On high, add the oil and let it stay for about 2 minutes. Add a tablespoon of browning. After 2 minutes, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Liver. Half of pepper, customary pepper, chili pepper. 4 garlic crushed and a tablespoon of white vinegar. A 1/4 cup of coconut oil or olive oil, and in the end, 1/4 cup of ketchup. And then for this now, 1 cup of water. Now you're gonna add the water. Okay, cover it and then put the stove on 4. Now, after 15 minutes, add the salt and stir it. Okay, the liver has been stewing for 25 minutes. So you just look on it. Now you're gonna turn the stove on low, very low. So it's been 35 minutes since we've been stewing this liver. Now we turn it off. Liver. Add the 1/4 cup of ketchup. And then turn it off. Liver. This is liver. Liver and fried dumpling. Liver and fried dumpling. Liver and fried dumpling with plantain. Liver with boiled bananas. Liver with boiled bananas.